Hi everyone, it's Josh from TradingPriceAction.com. Today's currency spotlight for December 2nd, 2013. We're going to be looking at two currency pairs as well as a trade update as for a trade that I'm currently in. The first thing we're looking at is the two currency pairs that I want to spotlight in today's video. The first one is the New Zealand dollar yen on the 4-hour chart. Now what I want to look at here is that we see that price have broke out through a major resistance zone right here. Resistance all throughout here, and then right here prices have broken out of this resistance zone. Now what are we looking for is for price to retrace back to this broken resistance turn support zone, and now we're going to be looking for a bullish price action trade setup to form, rejecting this area on the chart. If we get that within this area right here, we're going to be looking to go long right there. This is a very good trade setup to look for, because as you can see right here, this resistance zone has been respected many times before, and now that it's broken, that tells us that the market's ready to continue upwards, and this pullback to the broken resistance turn support zone is a great place to get into this trade before it breaks upward right here. Also, if we take a look, we can see that a pin bar is forming on the most recent 4-hour bar right here. So this is telling us that prices are ready to go down a little bit, and I'd say prices would go down to this area right here and then pull back and then continue back up right there. So that's what I'm looking for on the New Zealand dollar yen. And then the other currency pair is the Australian dollar US dollar, also on the 4-hour chart. And what we have here is that we just have prices nearing a key area on the chart. This level right here has held prices before, it has acted as a strong support zone, and prices are nearing this area again. So we're going to be watching to see what happens when prices get to this key area on the chart. Are prices going to bounce back up and the support holds, or will the support get broken? And in that case, we're going to be looking for a pullback and then a continuation downward of the downtrend right here. So either way, we're going to be looking to see how prices react to this strong support zone on this chart. So those are the two charts that I'm going to be looking for throughout this day and then into tomorrow, see what happens with those two charts. And then the last thing to wrap up this video is I'm going to be giving a quick trade update on my trade on the Australian dollar New Zealand dollar 1-hour chart. Now, I entered this trade up here on this pin bar right here, this pin bar, and entered right there. Since then, prices have come all the way down, pulled back, and have continued to drop all the way down here, and have just recently pulled back a little bit. So at the moment I am up about 88 pips, but so that I risked 12 pips. I had a 12 pip stop loss at 2%, so that means I'm up about 14% right now on this one trade. Now prices got really close to closing below this area, but it looks like they bounced off this area a little bit and now are ready for a pullback. What I'm hoping now is it gets stopped at this resistance zone right here, where it's stopped it before right here, and then it continues back down and below my next two take profit levels. So that's what I'm going to be looking for on this trade, as so far this has been a highly successful trade, and I'm hoping that it'll continue down. So that wraps up for today's currency spotlight. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll be back again tomorrow with another currency spotlight. So I'll see you guys then. Safe trading, and I'll talk to you guys soon.